na ang lahat ng spekulasyon tungkol sa pagpano ng kanyang nanay. Ani ni Andy, we'd like to thank everyone who has since extended their prayers and condolences to us as our family is trying to come to terms with this unfortunate incident. Please provide us the respect and privacy to grieve, and we hope this put all the speculation to rest. Sa kabilang banda, naging emosyonal naman si Andy habang ibinabahagi ang kanyang mensahe para sa kanyang nanay. Aniya, mananatili umano habang buhay ang legacy ng kanyang nanay. Dagdag pa niya, ang buhay mismo ni Miss Jacqueline ang greatest obra maestra nito o pinakamaganda nitong nagawa sa tanang buhay nito. Ani ni Andy, her undeniable legacy will forever live on through her work, through her children and the many lives she touched as she herself, her life herself, was her greatest obra maestra.
I've always wondered what it means. I don't know. Our God